What's up, guys? Welcome to another video with your buddy the roller coaster crafter, and today this is the update video some of you have been waiting for, and I've been waiting to get this one out. We are shaping the mountain of the Matterhorn around this entire coaster. So I have the giant structure of the coaster, which is pretty much just the base of the mountain, and then the mountain is probably twice as taller as this. So I am building all the mountain pieces around the coaster and making sure we have all the cutouts, all the little keyhole elements that this coaster actually has, and make sure that the mountain is structurally correct. So over the course of 2 days and a couple nights, as you can see, this was taken at nighttime, I was constantly looking at Google Earth and as many images as I can to get a panoramic view of how this mountain is supposed to look, especially the top right there, because this is a very distinct mountain that everybody knows at the happiest place on Earth, and I wanted to make sure we get that correct before I started building around it first. So I got the top correct, and it actually looks pretty well, and once I start wrapping it with all the cardboard paper that I have and start spray painting it and all that, it's gonna look absolutely amazing. And there you guys have it. Now we have the entire mountain interior complete. So now we are going to start putting everything else, like all the show scenes that go in here, and the abominable snowman, and as well as the waterfalls that will be included on this mountain. It is going to be absolutely amazing. I can't wait to start wrapping this thing up and also start running this coaster when the mountain is completely constructed. So thank you guys for watching this update. Stay tuned for more coming up real soon. This coaster is almost finished, y'all. And also don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more videos as I will keep them coming. Thank you guys, and I'll see you next time on the Coaster Crafter channel. Peace!